Now students, you write third time range of composite functions. Range of composite functions. In that A part, when domain is closed interval a comma b. Okay, so here closed interval a comma b means no need to tell that they cannot be infinity. Infinity means we can't close. That means some constant. So when domain is a comma b for such things, we know that composite function means either f circle g of x or g circle f of x, which can be written as f of g of x. So that means here what we have is x belongs to a comma b. Now we will check if g of x is increasing. Okay, so then range of g of x is g of a comma g of b. Next, if g of x is decreasing, then range of g of x is g of b comma g of a. Students, these 2 points are clear or not? Tell me. For everyone, these 2 points we already discussed it in the previous. So these 2 points are okay. So we are just concentrating about inside only. Okay. So now next, after confirming these 2 things, for suppose if it is increasing, then g of x is g of a comma f of a. Okay. Now if g of x is increasing and f of x is, or else from both of these 2 you will write the cases. Here itself I will write, say, if g of x is increasing, then g of x is this one we have written. So here I will write, say, in that sub loop actually, if f of x is increasing, then range of the function is f of g of a comma f of g of b. This is the part. Sub loop will write if f of x is increasing, for suppose. If f of x is increasing, then range of the function is, as is we need to apply f of g of b comma f of g of a, and here you want I will write the condition. See, if f of x is decreasing, for suppose, then range of f belongs to, so reverse of that one, that is f of g of a comma f of g of b. So this is the situation. So in the composite functions case, we will see the other one. When domain is infinite. So for the functions like this type, f circle g of x, which is nothing but f of g of x. In such case, how to deal the problem is, first find range of g of x. So inside function. So when we have more functions, for example, I will take something like this type. This is the case. Just example actually. Sine inverse of log of fractional part of x is there. Now if you observe, see, fractional part of x, if you observe, fractional part of x, excuse me, fractional part of x domain is what? Real numbers. So in such case, so means real numbers means infinite case only. In such case, what I am telling is, first to find the range of g of x means inside which one is the last function, you find its range. Okay, just for example it is. So now here we have only 2 functions, f of g of x, then find the range of g of x. For suppose if you have something like this, h of f of g of x. So this is nothing but h circle f circle g. In such case, first find the range of this one. So that is why I am finding the range of that function. See, the range of g of x is input for f of x. Is it true or not? Fatapat tell me. Yes, in any composite function, inside function whatever it delivers, that will be the input for the outermost function. That is the reason first find the range of inside function, that is g of x. Now you check, f of x is increasing or decreasing. If f of x is increasing, then range belongs to f of, here whatever range we got that one. First find range of g of x means let that range is some a comma b I am taking again. Okay, so then simply apply those values here, f of a comma f of b. If f of x is decreasing, then range belongs to, here r means range, so time shortage I am writing directly, r belongs to, just reverse it, f of b comma f of a. So here the technique is what we studied till now, that only. Okay, in composite functions, when you notice that its overall function domain is infinite or inside function domain is infinite, then the simple technique is first to find the range of inside function. Let us assume that the range is a comma b. Now check f of x is increasing or decreasing. If f of x is increasing, then the range of overall function is, simply substitute these two values there, f of a and f of b, that means in the original function. Substitute in the original function, so we will get the result. Increasing means same, decreasing means reverse.